Hi, my name is Gary Fullwood and I'm an award-winning designer of bathrooms and kitchens. I'm based in Watford and my company is called Gary Fullwood Designed Living. So I've created loads of blogs, videos and articles all designed to help you. So when you start your own home improvement project, to make the right choices, ensuring the right outcome for you. So remember, it's not just about buying a bathroom or kitchen, it's about making life at home just that little bit better. So today we're going to be talking about kitchen lighting and what is the best lighting for your kitchen. Now whether you've got a large kitchen or a small kitchen, making sure you've got the right lighting in them areas is really crucial, because you don't want any blind spots, you don't want any dark shadowing places when you're chopping up vegetables or doing your cooking or just making a cup of tea. So there's really important aspects you need to think about when designing your kitchen and making sure you've got the right lighting. Now if you've got a large kitchen, you can think about pendant lighting. They're nice pendants that hang down over islands and over breakfast bars. That's a really important part. If you've got wall units and lots of, you want to make sure you've got plenty of under unit lighting, because if you don't have the under unit lighting, once again, you do cause that shadowing, and it also acts as a really nice feature, because if you do just want to walk into your kitchen, just make yourself a nice cup of tea or just make a sandwich or something like that, you've got just that light, dimmable lighting that just sits nice and subtle, making sure you haven't got the bright shining full beam of the full ceiling lights coming on when you're just making small cup of teas or elements of your kitchen like that. So the other elements you've got feature lighting. Now feature lighting could be under worktop lighting, on the plinth lighting. Now you can be crazy if you want, you can have a multi-colour changing. I've had some clients where it's like a disco in their home when they have it. They absolutely love it when it's in the evenings, you know, when you've got parties and people coming around, when you're entertaining in a lovely space. To have that colour changing lighting is a really nice feature. When you're having glass units where you're presenting nice glass and nice plates and things like that in your cupboards, you can have lights within the glass cabinets, once again to show off your most expensive crystal when it comes to your kitchen cabinets. So that's an important part. With regards to the actual ceiling itself, you can either have your spotlights sunk into the ceiling, or you can have lovely strip lights. They're a new feature now where people are sinking the tracks into the ceiling and you're getting a consistent run of lighting rather than just seeing the individual lighting bulbs from the LED. So that's really crucial part. But ultimately, it's about you, it's about the personal features you need and what you want to utilise your kitchen for. A really clever element that we're doing a lot of now is putting a sensor into the ceiling. So what that does, you'll walk into your kitchen and the sensor just brings on either the under unit lights or the plinth lights or the lighting running around the worktop. So once again, you're not having to worry about turning light switches on, just if you're entering the kitchen just to make yourself a cup of tea, or like I say, just popping in just to grab something without having to put the full beam of lighting on. So kitchen lighting is a very personal feature when it comes to your kitchen, but you need to get it spot on. It's so important that you get the lighting right to show off your brand new amazing kitchen. So I hope that helps with answering the question about what is the best kitchen lighting. There's lots of elements to think about, but we have loads of blogs, videos and articles to help you with your home improvement project. So if you have any questions about kitchen lighting, either leave us a comment, give us a call or drop us a message.